Hello, welcome to KnowledgeCity's course on Intermediate Microsoft Access. I'm Douglas Bush, and I've been teaching Access classes since 1992. Microsoft Access is a relational database management system used to enter, store, retrieve, and analyze information. In simple terms, Access is a program used to create databases. In this course, you'll learn how to create a wide variety of forms, queries, and reports. You'll also learn how to edit those objects in different views and combine data sources in forms, queries, and reports. We'll also learn how to use wildcards and parameters in queries. By the end of this course, you'll be able to include calculations in forms, queries, and reports, create action queries to edit multiple records, combine or separate fields in queries, create mailing labels, and much more. Let's get started.